Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the crypto world in 2025, you might need to move your Matic tokens from Gemini to your Arculus wallet. Today, I'll walk you through this process step by step. It's super straightforward, but always remember to double check everything to keep your assets safe. First things first, make sure you have a Gemini account set up with some Matic in it, and that your Arculus wallet is installed on your device and ready to receive funds. This is crucial because we're dealing with blockchain transactions, which can be irreversible. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your Gemini account. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet or Assets section. Here, you'll see your Matic balance. Next, look for the Withdraw or Send option. It's usually right there on the main dashboard. Click on that to begin. Step 2. Select Matic from the list of assets. Gemini supports a variety of tokens, so make sure you choose the right one. Now, you'll need to enter your Arculus wallet address. To find this, open your Arculus app, go to the Wallet section, and copy the address for your Matic holdings. Pro tip: double-check the address to avoid any costly mistakes. Crypto addresses are case-sensitive. Step 3. Enter the amount of Matic you want to send. Be mindful of any network fees. In 2025, with Polygon upgrades, fees are usually low, but they can vary. Once you've filled in the details, review the transaction summary. This will show you the estimated fees and final amount arriving in your wallet. Step 4. Hit the Confirm button. You'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication for security. After that, Gemini will process the withdrawal, and the transaction will go through the Polygon network. This might take a few minutes, so grab a coffee while you wait. Finally, once it's done, open your Arculus wallet app and refresh your balance. You should see your Matic tokens there. If you run into any issues, like a pending transaction, check the Blockchain Explorer for your transaction ID. And there you have it. Your Matic is now safely in your Arculus wallet. This method keeps things simple and secure, especially with 2025's enhanced crypto regulations. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay crypto savvy.